everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what I got from Michaels. My husband and I usually, for Christmas, we exchange something small for each other. Like, you know, we don't buy each other big gifts anymore after almost 29 years of marriages. So he gave me a gift card to Michaels for $100, and I spent some of it. And so I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. Before I go along with this video, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please go below and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So let me see here. We are going to, I got some goodies. So yeah, I just thought I'd share because most people would not understand our love of beads, but I know my people who follow me do. So let me see. So we'll start with this. Look at this beautiful pumpkin pie. And these are 10 O's. Now usually we have 8 O's, 11 O's. We don't usually do 10 O's. Let me open this up without popping everything open. Oh, this is weird. I just had this open yesterday. Okay, I will do that one later. Okay, this one is lemon yellow. And these are 8 O's. Okay, I'm having trouble with everything here. It was so funny because I was in Michael's and I was shopping, and I will show you the beads I'm talking about. Look at how pretty these are. These are John bead, and actually they're Czech glass beads, and they're made in the Czech Republic and they're packaged in Canada. And I really like these beads. They're not too overly expensive. I think they're like $3.50 for a tube, and they're very even, you know, in size and everything. Just, you know, using them for everyday beading. They're really pretty. So, and the color lasts on them. It doesn't seem to fade. So we've got those. Then I got 2 of these. These are amethyst. These are 6 O's. But yeah, I mean, look how pretty they are. They have, you know, that sparkle. A lot of them have the AB finish. I really like these beads. I've always been happy with them. I use, let me see. I use these 3 for a lot of my extra bead weaving that you see in all of my my stuff. So I have those. So I have those 2. And then these are amethyst too, but these have an AB on them. So see how pretty they are? Just really pretty beads. I have those. Then I have these. These are amethyst too, but they have a little bit more of like a pinkish hue to them versus the other one. They're different numbers, so even though they're called amethyst, they're still different, but they're really pretty. So then this is sapphire, and these are a 6 O. I've been buying so many 11 O's. I haven't really had any 6 O's, and so when I'm doing other stuff, I'm like, see, and this has some different, this is more like a mix. It has different blues to it. So it's really pretty. It's very pretty. I'm gonna start doing some sunshine, some summery things. This is a 6 O. This is crystal pink. Look at these. How pretty they are. They have the pink in the middle, you can see, and then the outside is more of a clear. But yeah, they're Very pretty. Keep those. Then these are, let me see, these were lemon yellow, and then these are just lemon citron. And these are these are really pretty. They almost look like yellow sherbet, kind of. See that frost on them? They're so pretty. I don't know if the camera's picking up the frost color or not. They're so pretty. Okay, and then these, I can open these one. These are just orange, it's called. They say these are 11 O's. I've already used these, a couple of these for, so these are just 11 O's. But they're really pretty beads. If you're just looking for a well-rounded bead just for, you know, using on jewelry, or I don't know if these would be good for bead weaving though. You know, like weaving, you know, like those are more Toho beads, and, you know, because they have to be exact. And this is pink metallic, and I do use these a lot. I actually ran out of these, so I had to get another one. These are 11 O's, but I love these. I love mixing these with blue. They have a really cool, kind of like a cool off-colored effect to them when you mix them all together. And these are called turquoise. These are 6 O's, but they're not really, they're kind of a seafoam greenish blue. They're not like, but they're kind of, they're the same as this yellow, you know, where they have the frost on them. So pretty. But these are just such pretty beads. And then these are turquoise blue. These are 11 O's. These are kind of more like, not matte, but they're not as sparkly as some of the other ones, but they're really pretty. Got those. These are so pretty. Crystal. These are 8 O's. Crystal SL. These are really pretty. These will give, there's the silver on the inside. So when it's turned on the side, you can see that. But if it's front, you can't. So pretty. And then these are a mint pearl. Kind of a different color. They're kind of like a rounded seed bead almost. These and these, all of these 6 O's. They're kind of more rounded, but they're really pretty. And they're great, just, you can use them for spacer bead, for necklaces and bracelets, to break up some colors. These are the ones I was in Michael's yesterday buying these. And the first tube that I had, I was putting them up on the counter, and this had come open, and they were laying all over the inside of the cart. And I was like, I went to pick it up, and they just went everywhere. And the poor lady that was helping me out actually had a cane. She was having trouble walking. I was like, oh my gosh, this poor lady's gonna slip. So I was trying to help her sweep up all the beads. It was quite the mess. And there was like 20 people behind us in line. I'm like, of course. But these are transparent rosaline. And they're 11 O's. They're just really pretty beads. So I hope we got everything picked up. Take my sweater off here. First it was cold, now it's not. And then these are transparent fuchsia. These are 11 O's too. how pretty these are. These are so pretty. Absolutely love. I'm trying to get this orange. Okay, here it's coming. I hope I don't pop these everywhere. No, it's coming now. Yay. Okay, there we go. And these were pumpkin spice. Citrullol. These are John Beats too. So, really pretty 11-O's. Kind of like the other ones. These are a little more rounded. These aren't. But they're really pretty. So, yeah, so that's those. And then these are my other three that I use a lot. I'll show you these. These are 11-O's. These are aqua amethyst. So they're so pretty because they're purple, the amethyst, but they have like a turquoise outline on part of it. So you could see that kind of turquoise cast going over them. They're so pretty. So I have those. And these are Bead Smith. These are just aqua 11-O's. But they're a lighter, kind of a lighter color. I like these. And then these are these are 11-O's too, and these are a turquoise dark aqua. So these are really pretty. My husband's like, I didn't know what to get you for Christmas, so I got you a Michael's gift card. And I'm like, that'll work. So, yeah, so just wanted to share my little Michael's haul with you guys. Look at this. If this isn't love, I don't know what is. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. And let me know down in the comments what you thought, which one was your favorite if you had one. And I'm going to be working today on some more tutorials. I'm going to be in my bead room all day, busy filming. So I just wanted to get this one out of the way and share it with you before I break these open and start using them. So I have all my social media below. I have my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook pages. If you would like to follow me on there, I'd really appreciate it. I do post a lot of stuff on my Facebook page. And most of my jewelry that I make, I do put for sale up on my Etsy store. So if you want to follow me on there, that works too. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing tutorial, little bead haul. And I hope to see you on my next video. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.